Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. We're here with Charles or Charlie?
Charlie, Charles, whatever fits.
Charlie.
Yep.
Okay. We've seen your car on Derek's channel.
Yep, that's correct.
So now I made it to Massachusetts, and it's an honor and a pleasure to be here. Tell us where we at before we...
So we're at Wade the Trucker's Panther Palooza up here in Hudson, New Hampshire.
Yeah?
I'm here with my 2000 Grand Marquis.
Okay.
GS.
2000 Grand Marquis GS.
Yep.
Okay. Why or how did you get into Panthers?
So what really got me into Panthers, one, my father was a cop in a town called Quincy, Massachusetts for 17 years.
Okay.
He drove Vicks back in the day. That was the first part.
Yeah.
The second part was a little more recent, but like 3 years ago, I came across Grant's channel. If you heard of Grant, Unit 201, he's got that degraph Vic.
Yeah.
When he had the 3611 before that, that's what inspired me into Panthers.
Okay.
And there's obviously another guy, Greasy 4.6.
Yeah.
So those two in Hoomer got me into Panthers.
Okay.
And my dad, of course. So I was like, okay, I like this car.
Yeah. So this is your 2000?
Yep, that is my 2000.
Okay. Tell us about it. How long have you had it?
I've had this 2000 for about 3 years now.
3 years. Okay.
It was sitting in my cousin's yard.
Yeah.
Back in 23 and before. It was this whole thing was behind my aunt. It was not about the car itself. The car ran great.
Yeah.
My aunt had a lot of medical issues, and it got to a point where she couldn't drive anymore.
Okay.
So it went to my cousin's yard, where it sat for about 7 years.
Yeah.
Recently, he was gonna junk it, and I said no.
Yeah.
He's like, if you want the car, just take it out of here.
Okay.
So we take the car out of here. We get a ramp truck. We bring it to the shop. Everything is done over on it, the engine, etc. A lot of surface rust.
Yeah.
But that's it.
How many miles on this?
51,000.
51,000?
Yeah, 51,000.
Oh my goodness.
I can show you the driver's
Hold on. Let me, what is this?
That is a very rare edition, Newport.
Newport.
There's another guy on the Panther community that has one like me. I forget his social.
Yeah.
But he has like a maroon red one.
Okay.
Newer model though, but he has the same thing I have.
Newport edition. Okay.
Yep. Very
Where's
rare.
Newport? What, is that like Newport Beach, Newport,
I don't
Florida?
know. I don't know the whole details of the Newport step.
Okay. And what color is this?
That is a, I consider a baby blue, but more like a robin egg blue.
Okay. What is do you know the code name for it?
I don't actually.
Okay. Or the factory name?
I don't.
Okay. The wheels.
I'll type it in the comments.
Okay. Yeah.
The wheels, I don't remember either, because I could probably guess they're like kind of like the spoof of 98 F-150 wheels, but I got them offline on eBay for cheap.
Yeah.
They're actually hubcaps, surprisingly.
Oh, they are hubcap. Okay, I see that. So you got Steely's under there.
I got Steely's under there. That's
okay.
Correct.
Cool.
Everything's original.
Okay. With this blue, did you paint this?
No. Well, this was done over.
Yeah.
The blue on the bottom I did paint.
Okay.
But just to get a good look and match. The black trim, I did this too. That's what my plate.
There it is again, Newport edition. Okay.
Funny story on this, somebody stole my emblem.
Somebody needed.
A hater took my emblem.
Somebody needed for their car, huh?
So I just put a random Ford magnet.
Yeah.
That's gonna get replaced. Original.
Okay.
Everything on it is pretty much original. Except the top, obviously, it was white before.
Okay.
The top was white and the bottom paint wasn't here.
51,000 miles.
Here, take a look.
I can see that, yeah. 51,000 right there.
Yeah.
Wow, what color is this interior? That's beautiful.
Blue interior. I don't know the...
I think, let me see the code name on here. We'll get it on here. Let's see here. So interior is SR.
Yeah.
Where's exterior? I don't see it. I'm sure it's on here. I'll take a look later. Okay.
Back's pretty much clean too. Excuse my bag, because I got my art equipment in the back.
Yeah. Oh, tell us about your drawing.
So I do a lot of drawings and art for the Panther community and more. You can go follow me on Instagram, seeing visuals.
Okay.
I do all kinds of photography, drawing, etc. But my latest work is in my bag currently.
Okay.
But this weather's just been a little rough. So
Yeah.
I'm trying to get a good break where I can just get it out and I can show you guys.
Yeah. Wow, this is beautiful.
But everything is original.
Very cool. Yep, there's the badge again, Newport Edition.
Yep.
Interesting. If you guys in the comment section know Newport, where that is from, what is that edition? Is that CN?
Iowan.
Iowa.
The
edition. Okay, okay.
Whatever the debris was on the seal got on there at some point.
Okay.
But
so we also do a thing called junk in the trunk. Do you want to show us what's in your trunk? You don't have to?
The trunk is...
The trunk usually tells me a lot about the people's lives.
The trunk is pretty much original.
Yeah. Okay.
Excuse the tables and that, but...
so you do got junk in the trunk.
Yep.
Which is normal. Every Panther pretty much
These are my
has...
tables, obviously.
Yeah, you draw on them? Is that your drawing tables or what?
No, my display tables.
Oh, okay.
I do all the drawings at home.
Yeah, yeah.
But everything behind that is all original. The jacks, the spare tire, everything is original in the back.
Yeah.
Excuse that.
Yeah, excuse the gunshots.
But yeah,
Cool.
pretty much that's original.
Okay, let's go take a look under the hood.
So the engine I've done over.
Yeah.
Everything is new and remodeled.
Rebuilt, huh?
New valve covers,
Okay.
custom red valve covers. I cleaned the engine. Oh my God, sorry.
No, you're good. Did you spray paint everything black? Or was that how it was?
How it was.
Okay.
Did little touch-ups to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Custom engine cover.
Nice. So
Painted that
51,000 miles. This thing runs really well, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I like the red engine covers. I mean, the valve covers, yeah.
When I saved it from my cousin, there's barely any cylinders firing due to the amount of years it was sitting.
Yeah.
There's not all cylinders were firing, so I did take it up eventually, and I had everything redone over.
Yeah.
I was this close to giving up on it due to one cylinder I did not want to go in.
Yeah.
So, but my mechanic figured it out and runs great.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, so you've had it for 2 years. Any future plans?
I am gonna eventually probably take the cats out.
Take the cats out.
Get a
put some
custom exhaust pack,
okay.
probably accelerator or a I don't know if you heard of accelerator. It's like a small exhaust brand. It's better on the highway. You don't have to hear that that annoying noise on the highway that it has. But I put those in, cat delete, etc. Custom tailpipes.
Cool. What is on your? What's the hood ornament you got there?
That actually I've made myself here. Close the hood real
It's like a
gently.
little owl, huh?
But that is a custom eagle because it matches the hubcaps.
Yeah.
So I've made that specifically because of that.
Very well. Yeah. So I saw your car from across the parking lot. I'm like, I gotta get the video of it.
So my back, you probably want my backstory, right?
Yeah.
So, like I said, it's been sitting at my cousin's for 7 years, and oh yeah, my dad was saying there, I'm gonna get like chrome strips for it as well. That's another mod. But anyways, back to the backstory. So originally, my aunt had this car. I'm the second owner.
Yeah.
She used to only drive this to the store and back, just for the normal stuff you get at a convenience store.
Yeah.
She never really took it on the highway or anywhere far. So this is the first time this car has actually been out of state and somewhere different than just my local area.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, my aunt's medical problems, like I said before, got out of hand, so she couldn't drive anymore. And then she passed away to COVID, 2020.
Sorry to hear that.
So 3 years later, as my cousin was gonna junk it, I said no. He just said, just take it out of here.
Yeah.
So once we took it out of here, like I explained before, the story on the shop. But here she is here.
Yeah. Very nice.
Everything works well now.
Yeah.
And my aunt's with me every day.
Yeah.
This is a major piece of what I have left of her.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Cool, man. Well,
Got
we
any questions?
appreciate questions. I'm sure the comment section will blow up with questions.
Whatever missing information you guys want in the comments, I will put them in the comments for you guys. So,
yeah, and we'll include your Instagram, your art Instagram, and all of that stuff. Does your car have an Instagram account?
I want to get some decals, but
I mean, do you have an Instagram for the car?
Yes, Robin 4.6.
Robin 4.6. Okay,
My car's named after my aunt.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I get it.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job, man.
Yeah. So
How are you liking the meet so far?
it's really, really great. A lot of people turned up.
Yeah.
It's my second out-of-state meet I've ever been to.
Okay.
I'm kind of a newbie to the community.
Hey, welcome,
people call
man.
me the youngest.
Yeah.
Like I'm 17, so I'm like the youngest.
Oh,
in the
wow.
community.
Yeah. You probably are the youngest on the channel at 17 with the Panther.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go back and look, but you might be the youngest. Congratulations, man.
Yeah. Finally got to meet you. I've seen your videos before.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
It was my pleasure.
You have a Mercury Grand Marquis, is that correct? In 07?
I do. 06. Yeah.
That's a beautiful car, man.
Thank you. You got into a little fender bender.
Oof.
But I'm working on fixing it. So.
Yeah. But the meet turned out great. I'm planning to go to more of them. So.
Yeah. Cool. Any last words for the viewers?
Just be positive. Be yourself. Show your car off. F the haters. F the haters. Make sure they don't steal your emblem, because that's my advice to you. I mean, I hope that doesn't happen to you, but just be yourself. Show your car off. People love it.
Yeah.
That's all I got for you guys.
Charlie, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Nice to meet you.
Go check out my drones.
Yep.